This call is now being recorded.
Okay, students, now let us see how to execute Java programs. Okay, to execute Java programs, you have to go to in our lab, open Windows, and there in Windows operating system, select NetBeans IDE icon. You can choose this NetBeans IDE and double click. So open NetBeans and here go to File menu, and in that click on New Project. And by default it is selecting Java application, so only you have to click on next button. Now you should, here it is highlighting the project name, there you should give the name of your project. Now let us do the CRC program. So I'll give program CRC. I'm giving CRC as the project name. That's all. Next, you have to click on finish. See, by default, automatically it will create the class name. So give the project name, click on finish. Now it has automatically generated the package name and the class name in the code and main function. So now let us copy our program. Actually, you have to type your program here. What I will do is I'll just delete the content inside this class. And also observe here the package name and the class name. It has generated different. And package name, it has generated program CRC, all in lowercase, but class name. Actually, for the class name, the first letter should be in capital letter. So you should always be aware of it. Anyway, when you generate it, automatically it will generate. That's why you don't have to bother about it. Only thing is you just delete whatever was there inside that class. And let us go to, I'll just copy the program from the manual and I'll paste it. And here in the manual, I'll copy the content of the class. Public class CRC1 is there. Inside this opening and closing bracket of this class, whatever the content is there, I'll just copy and I will paste it. And you guys have to type that content. Okay. And I will paste it inside this public class program CRC. Next, what else is required? And don't forget to write the package import java.io.star. It is required. So copy that and paste it as well. So here I am writing import java.io.star. Now save the program and run. So click on this green color run button. Otherwise you can go to run menu and there you can click on run project. Anything is fine. Now it is asking for data. Enter number of data bits. I will enter 4. That is the length of the message. Next. So I entered the length as 4. Now I have to enter those 4 bits. Let me one after the other you enter in the next line. 1, 0, 1, 1. This is my message. Next, enter the number of bits in the divisor to perform CRC. I will enter 4. I want 4 bits in my divisor and enter those 4 bits. I will enter 1, 0, 0, 1. Press enter. See, now it has calculated CRC and here is our CRC. This code will be, we have to assume that the sender has performed this task and it is sending this CRC code to the receiver. From this point onwards, let us assume that we are the receiver now. Okay. If you are the receiver, if you receive exactly the CRC code sent by the sender, it will be called as no error. If any of the bit is changed, it is called error condition. So now I'm entering the received bits at the receiver here. If you enter these 7 bits as it is, you should get no error message. So let me enter as it is. I'm entering 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Yeah. So it says no error because I entered these bits exactly. So now let us see about error condition. For that, let me run the program once again by clicking on this run project button. I'll enter the details. Enter the number of bits. I'll enter the same 1, 0, 1, 1. You can enter any pattern. enter the number of bits in the divisor. I'll enter 4, 1, 0, 0, 1. Next, it has generated the CRC code. But now I will enter it differently, meaning the receiver is not receiving the correct CRC code. Suppose if it receives all 111, it is entirely different from the CRC code sent by the sender. Let us see what message it is going to get. See, it is showing now error because we received different data than the data which is sent by the sender. So we got error. This is about the CRC program, and you should also be knowing how to calculate CRC manually. Okay, that is discussed in the regular lab session. If you want to know how to calculate manually and all, just open that recorded session and learn.